So Parinita, I saw one of your YouTube videos which we are doing continuously, and I heard in that you have given advice to the viewers that if you are going for an investment property, you should always buy your investment property first rather than going for a residential property. So what I was thinking was like when we bought our own house first, we obviously were looking for residential house. So we got our residential house, but we have this investor mindset now. So just thought like I'll ask you that do you regret our decision when we bought our residential house first? So what do you think? Do you regret, or you are still happy that even though we are having investor mindset, we didn't go for investment property rather than buying this house?
Okay, so after our marriage, our first dream was to have our own home, right? And that was our biggest dream that we always, talk about it. That we, because we were living in the rented property, and we wanted our own home, own house, and that was our big dream. And we took our actions towards that dream. um, at that time we didn't know about the investment things because we were not thinking about investment at that time. What we were only thinking is to have our own home. So whether it's a small home, one bedroom property, one bedroom flat, but it should have been like our name on it, that this is, you own it, rather than living in the rented house. So we took our actions to have our own home, and now we got this home. And after we got our own home, we started looking for investments because we have our investment pot, like saving pot with us after our job, and we thought, okay, let's go and invest somewhere. And definitely we started looking for the investment, and now we invested our pot in the properties. So definitely there is no regret that we bought our residential home first and then we started looking for the investment properties, because now I have that training, I have that mindset that you have to think like an investor. So if now if I don't go and take actions on this trainings and whatever coaching I'm having, if I don't go and take this action, then definitely I will regret in future. But now, no. I'm very happy to have our residential home, and I'm very happy that we invested in the properties. We now have 2 investment properties, and we are looking to grow our own investment pot and the properties. So I'm very happy.
I'm very glad to hear that because I thought like we have bought this our dream home. We have spent so much money in renovations, and now you are having in your back of mind that we should have not bought this home and we should have bought investment property first. So I'm very happy to hear that you do not regret this decision, because I also feel like now we have our investor mindset, that's fine, but now we also have our dream home. So when we are looking for properties, we don't need to worry about like where we are going to live, and we need to still have our dream house because we have our dream house already. So we can invest in money, like we can buy like rundown property, which is our strategy, and continue doing that rather than thinking about, oh, at the end we need to buy our house. So we are somewhere stable. So I like that as well. And as you said that when we had after this house, we had a pot of money which we were thinking about investing. Then we started learning about investment strategies and what all things we can do with our pot of money and how we can invest.
Yes.
So after taking all the trainings and after talking to so many people, we made our decision to invest into HMO strategy, which is like an advanced strategy. And thankfully everything went well, and we now have our 2 HMOs which are like fully finished, and we still have our knowledge and network around us who will continue to support us in our property journey. So we are not stopping here, we will continue to grow our property portfolio. So it is good to know that you don't regret it.
Yeah, and I'm happy that you are agree with me. So do you remember when we actually started looking for the investment stuff? So because I remember that we had our saving pot, but do you remember when we actually started looking for the properties and stuff?
Yeah, oh my God. So when we had our investment pot, we were thinking, what should we do about it? So we started looking into e-commerce business, all sort of other businesses where we wanted to do, where we can put our time, energy, effort in there.
Yes.
And thankfully, by God grace, we bumped into property
Yeah.
because all our other businesses don't suit our personality, I would say, because we are such kind of personality that we want to be do something, give back to the society as well. So property is like
Yeah.
you can be with a different network of people.
Yes.
You take like rundown houses from UK government and you're giving back to UK as well. Like you are taking that rundown house and you're converting into luxurious accommodation. So you
Yeah.
are raising the standard of UK accommodation as well. So you're giving back whilst you're doing good business. So
Yeah.
that is a
And-
good decision which we took, I think, in property.
Yeah, and I remember that we were having this all trainings and stuff, even for the e-commerce business, and also I was starting for the selling and buying things, other the shop thing. So I was thinking, even we were looking for the hotels and other stuff. So I remember that we went for viewing of one of the ready HMO. So ready to go HMO it was, and even I remember we went somewhere up north, I think Manchester or somewhere, to
Look at
view
the student accommodation.
student accommodation. And do you remember there was a flat, like one bedroom
Yes,
flat,
one
and it
bedroom,
was ready to
ready
go,
to go.
and they were saying the tenants are ready, the agreement was in place, and if we would have bought that property, we would have get the cash flow immediately from the next month.
Mm.
But I remember when we started digging deeper and deeper into the property stuff, we found out that compared to other businesses, we are getting a better return on investment on the property market, if we are investing in the property market. But then I remember that when we were digging it deeper and having that training, we found out that we are not going only after the cash flow properties. We wanted to go for both cash flow as well as the capital growth. So that's why I remember that we thought, okay, let's find out what are the strategies to go into the capital growth as well, rather than going only for the cash flow. So then I remember that we went to one of the seminar in London, and the other stuff.
Yeah.
And then
we
I
took-
remember that you started looking for the personal coach as well. And I mean that's how I think the journey started, to look for the cash flow as well as the capital growth market.
So I'm very happy that we have all the people surrounding us. We have all the backing, like for developers around us who can support us in our property journey. We have all the knowledge about property. So
Yes.
we are all kicked up now. We are all having our backing and knowledge of property journey. So anything, like any deal which comes to us, we can decide whether it is a good deal, good return on investment or not, and then we can continue our property journey.
Yes.
So-
So yeah, just to conclude this discussion, because we don't want anyone to think that the people are only look for the cash flow or the asset or the
So
investment
people
properties.
shouldn't think that
We just-
we have bought as the conclusion
Dream
was
house.
like we have bought our dream house. So did we take a wrong decision? So
Yes.
it is not a wrong
It's not a
decision.
wrong
Like
decision, yeah.
it depends on your own circumstances as well. Like if you have not bought your own residential house, and if you are like investor mindset people, you can do that thing which you have advised. But
Yes.
if you are like want to settle down first and have your first property as your base, so that you
Yes.
can then think about investment, you can do that as well.
Yes,
So it's not like you need to choose one.
Yes.
So you whatever you are doing, you can do that.
Yes, it's just that whenever you go into market, and after even you have a residential home, you are looking for the investment properties. it should be the right investment with the right guidance and with the right area, because I saw some of the people who bought the property, but then due to their poor management and even due to pandemic, as you know that most of people they lose their job,
Yeah.
and because of these things that most of the people they went into debt. So
Yeah.
even though they have these properties and they have their cash flow generating assets, it's still because of their poor management only, and their own income, even it affect on their mortgage status. So it definitely needs that guidance, that how you gonna go with your investments, because it should be the right investment,
Yeah,
I would say.
definitely. And even in our projects, we had so many challenges, but because we had our training and right people around us, we could
Yes.
overcome those challenges and complete our
Yes.
project. So it is property investing might sound easy, but when you start into developments, it is really, really difficult. You need to
Yes.
have people around you who will support you to complete your projects on time. And because you are playing with a lot of depth, you
Yeah.
need to make sure that you know what you're doing. Otherwise, if you're going blindly, then it can be very dangerous, and you might
Yeah.
lose all your earnings as well.
Earnings, exactly.
So that is one of the good things about us as well, that we
Yeah.
took all our trainings before entering into this.
Yes, yes.
So
And now I know that as we have our own job as well, we have our own residential home, and we are investing into property. And as you said, we have the right network around us. We also have like that management in place, because our investment properties are far from us. So we have our management, right management, the correct management in place. So that's how we are managing it currently. So definitely that I would love to grow my network, and I would love to learn more from the right people with their right guidance, and definitely want to grow my own portfolio. And I think it's same for you as well.
Definitely,
You
yeah,
always look for the
always looking for the
new
deals.
deals
Yeah.
and stuff.
So
yeah.
it's good. Like we have our own house now, and our journey about property investing has started. So
Yeah,
let's
I mean,
continue doing this then.
yes, yes. So even though we have like people think that they have their own property now, residential home, whether it is too late for them to invest into the property, then definitely it's not too late. So yes, anyone can start their investment journey.
Yeah, my coffee is over now.
Yay!
Yes.
Okay, for me as well. So yes.
Okay.